Hey, good morning, everyone. Roy Powers, Right Line Trading. Excuse me. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm just getting a disclaimer. Give me one moment. We made it. Friday is here. Wow, look at this beautiful NQ chart. Getting a big move to the downside. Okay, here we go. Okay. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. Not offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational demonstration purposes only. Only. Friday, August 21st. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground, I consider it a pretty good start to the day, considering the alternative. Good morning, Brandy. Good to see you. Friday, August 21st. The economic news report's coming out today. 9:45. We have two yellow folders, and those are the only two economic news reports that will be released during this live stream. Those are both yellow folder, low impact reports. Let's take a look at the community intelligence. Let's see what's hot and what's not. Look at this move to the downside. Holy moly. We got the scalper leapfrog in. Retirement plan, golden goose, leapfrog, mean reversion, Mack truck, Steven, big variety. Steven, Heikinashi buy sell. On my particular machine, the mean reversion is doing the best. The mean reversion, I have, oof, look at this move down. Holy smokes. Let's see what's crossing the news wire. You see my Heikinashi trend tracker giving me big sell signals. Look at this 1 minute bar. Tremendous. They are selling off the Nasdaq in a big way. Let's look at our 5 minute chart just to see what's been going on through the overnight session. Where is it? Licensing. Chart gold. Here must be this one. The manager. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let's take a look. Let's put this down. Oh, wow. The ES had a big leg up overnight, and it's giving it, filling in that gap in a big way, giving it all back. The market skyrocketed through the London session, straight up. Now, just before the New York Stock Exchange is opening, we're getting a big retracement, filling in that gap. It'll be interesting to see what happens once the opening bell rings. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. We're going to be showcasing our AI auto trader and our Heikinashi trend tracker. These are two automated systems. Once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades on your behalf. The NASDAQ is set up for shorts now. And the E-mini as well, breaking down through the VWAP. Let's see what's on our best bots. I have a trade copier. I'm going to be trading 3 Apex accounts. I have my NQ best bot, which is trading the mean reversion. It's risking 250. It's trading the micro, 5 contracts. So let's go to the MNQ and put it on our best bot. NQ best bot. Here comes the retracement. A monster trade on 5 micros. It's in the leapfrog. And on the E-mini best bot has selected the moneymaker. We're going to do a weekly review of the hottest bots this week. The moneymaker is his last 4 out of 4 is the last 4 trades. Let's look at the risk. We're going to trade the micros, MES, September. Let's apply that. And we are going to trade 3 micros. On the ES best bot. So I'm only risking 150 a trade, so I think I'll come up a little higher. We'll go to 4 micros. Now on my ES best spot, I'm risking 200 an entry. On my NQ best spot, I am risking 250 an entry right here. And what I'll do is I'll just wait for the opening bell, let the market settle down, and then I can enable my trade copier. I have a tab for my NQ best bot, which is going to automatically trade the most profitable Nasdaq bot in my portfolio. And I have another tab for the ES best bot, which will also trade only the most profitable E-mini bot in my portfolio. There's the bell. Well, it looks like it's going to be a volatile day. Look at the market go. Let's go to our best spot here. And I like to keep an eye on gold. I've been keeping an eye on gold. I was also looking at crude oil. Crude oil is moving really nicely pre-market, but we'll keep an eye on gold. Good luck, everybody. Happy Friday. We got a big giveaway today, sponsored by Apex Trader Funding. The only prerequisite to participate in the giveaway. Trader Joe's in the house. I was speaking with Trader Joe yesterday, and he got a strategy off of the leaderboard that was a reverse trade. He won, I think it was 17 out of 19 in a row. Curious to see how that one does today. Excuse me. With this power play. Let me see what my power play is trading. A signal B could come into play here. So I'm going to go to my strategy settings, look at the power play. It's trading 1 mini, $300. Let me go into my strategies and find the power play. And I'm just going to make a little change on my power play. I want a signal B entry that I can go to that's going to sync up with a 5-minute. I like to have my power play setting on a 5-minute to prevent counter trend trades. I like my signal B is enabled. Beautiful. Ooh, this is on 5 micros. Must have 2 power plays. If I'm trading 5 micros, okay. So I'm going to put the power play on my leaderboard as my leader account. And we know that it's trading 5 micros. If we get a major sell-off, I want to be able to leverage my signal B trigger. My best spot is using the mean reversion, and that's a signal A. So if I get a big retracement long, it would jump in long. My RSI line, my white line, and my Laguerre oscillator would have to break up through the 20% line. The best spot jumped in. Let's see if it worked out for it. The NQ best spot. Going counter trend. Here comes the power play short. Looking for a short. On the power play, looking for a signal B short. Look out below. Here we go. If it breaks through support, it could trigger. We got a high volume candle. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Let's go. Get in there. Let's try it again. My ES bots, we did a presentation yesterday, have just been crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. In fact, I'm going to go to my ES best bot, and I'm just going to go ahead and enable it. My power play, come on, let's go. Kick in. Leapfrog is in short. I don't know where my power play is. It went to sleep. Boy, mighty. Hmm. Okay, I think I'm going to have to find a different way. Let's try it. Try it one more time. Golden goose, the treasurer, is up on the golden goose. The goose is loose. I'm in the goose myself. I'm not getting my Heikinashi entry on gold yet, but it's starting to set up. Not like in the power play. Hey, Prague, Steven. A lot of Stevens up on the board. I think that's the one that Trader Joe had gotten off the leaderboard was Steven, and it was on a reverse trade. Let's take a look at the leapfrog. My leapfrog is up 1220. I always tell people when I speak to them on the phone is play your leaderboard. Play your leaderboard. Play what's doing well on your computer. We don't know for sure about anyone else's computer, but what we do know for sure is our own. Submarine, I was thinking about you, and we need to get together and do a training and get our active members of our group to participate and getting some tweaks to some of these bots and trying some variations. We don't all want to be running the exact same settings unless they're crushing it. Okay, here we go. The leapfrog just jumped in short. Let me check my lag. Looks good. We got a heat advisory here in Homestead. We're getting a little bit of lag in and out intermittently. Leapfrog is winning 50% of the trades. It says here it has an A and a C. A and a C. It was the Stephen, yes. I was talking to Jim this morning in Texas. He was telling me his dog doesn't even want to go outside. I said, not even to chase the cats? He said, the cats are hiding too. He's got to kick the dog out the door to get him to do his thing outside. It's so hot. We're going to be giving away a free Apex account today. 2 prerequisites to win. You got to say something in my chat roll. I don't care if you tell me off. Tell me I'm a lousy trader and you hate me. Or tell me good morning. God bless you. But you got to say something. Number 2, I'm going to put a giveaway link in the chat roll and you have to fill it in. Here we go. Here we go with the leapfrog short. Make a believer out of me. I wanted to plot my executions. So I'm going to go to data series and I'm going to put this on text and marker. I want to see what trigger. That was a signal C. Signal C. The pull back and go. The scalper leapfrog doing well. I'm liking the looks of this trade through support. This could be a home run very quickly. My stop is pretty far back on this one, on this NQ leapfrog. Let's take a look. Oh, this is why. I don't need to be that aggressive. Very ambitious profit target. The way the market's moving today, it might be a good thing. Looking for a break of support here. If this breaks support, look out. Look out below. Retirement plan's crushing it. Hey, Mike, thanks for joining us. Good morning, Dan. George shops at Trader Joe's. Watch the short roll here on a signal C. Nope, that's the leapfrog. Wrong one. Sorry. Wrong one. Okay, let's get it now. That could be a best spot short. My best spot is looking at the mean reversion, the signal A. Leapfrog right back in short. I missed this trade. I'm kicking myself. That was the entry I wanted. Glad I missed it. Let's look at our 1-minute Heikin-Ashi on the Nasdaq. This is what it looks like on the Heikin-Ashi trend tracker. We're right into some major downside support on the Nasdaq. We're in an oversold environment. We're getting a retracement back to the 50, a mean reversion. Let's hold off. I'm looking for gold. Gold is a white background on the Heikin-Ashi. What does that mean? That means there's no alignment of trend. It's a choppy market. Sit on your hands and wait. When that is a white background color, don't trade gold. It's too choppy. Here goes crude on the move down again. The leapfrog is starting to. Oh, look at the leapfrog. A beautiful trade. I'm starting to gain my confidence. Look at this crude short. We're missing the sell signal. We have flat top Heikenashis. What we don't have is the high volume bars. Pew scalper leapfrog. It's winning 50%. 50%. Oh, wow. The NQ is way oversold. Way oversold. Trying to push it lower. Does it break support? No, manager, I didn't. The entry time being included in the settings. Did you send it to support? Where did you send it, manager? Sooner or later, this market's going to reverse and retrace. Maybe the mean reversion is a good one to trade because it's coming. It's number one on mine. Let's go with the NQ best spot. It's already in a trade. This is the best spot right here. That was the mean reversion entry. This could go a mile back to the VWAP. It's a nice entry. It's right off of support. But it is a counter trend trade. Trying to call bottoms and tops is not an easy thing to do. Well, here it comes further down. Let's try our leapfrog. Come on, leapfrog. We need a retracement. And leapfrog was the one. Man, it's going to break support. Keep going down. The ES scalper. Watch the ES scalper short. Okay, here we go. Here's a retracement. This is what I need for the signal C to trigger. I need to pull back and go. Pull back and go. NQ Scalper Leapfrog. This is the bot that Mike Submarine Squid put together. It's doing well today. It did well the day, not yesterday, but the day before it did well as also. Looking for a signal C short here. Okay, we're in. Let's see if we could break support here. Come on down. Come on down. Keep on coming. Get my window. There we go. Beautiful. That's the entry I was waiting on. Push down. Push down. Give me some follow through. I don't know how I made $140 on that trade. How does that work? How did I make $140? I traded that on the mini. Look at that trade. You see the slippage on that exit? Got some major slippage on that exit. So let's go to the scalper leapfrog. Scalper leapfrogs in short. Another short roll. Let's see if there's any follow through. This leapfrog could run to the basement. Yes, agreed. I do like that idea. We were actually working on something very just like that. That gives you a filter for time. Let's see how this trades a counter trend. I'm not sure what the settings are on the scalper leapfrog. If the market reverses, what is the power play setting on? Oh, it's on the higher Unarenko. So it's not quite a 5-minute, but it's like a 20 Unarenko, if I remember correctly. Here it goes. This is a nice short. I'm going to try to take a leapfrog short here. Okay, we're in short. Come on down. Push lower. Oh, man, I chickened out of the trade. That was another beautiful entry on the leapfrog. My scalper leapfrog is up 1,700. Yeah, I know, Rao. Here's a mean reversion trade long. It's getting some traction. The NQ Steven coming up my leaderboard. Let's see if we get a short roll on the leapfrog. Or is this where it reverses? Could get a short roll on the leapfrog. Let's see if it takes another leg down. Nope. It's on the way up. Ah. Come on down. Could go long. Leapfrog took one short. Let's see if we can get the roll. Come on, push down. Come on down. Push through. Come on down. Push down. I'm going to take it there. Look at that. The leapfrog has found the ebb and flow. I'm going to play my number 125. I need some, it's a larger account. I got my profit goal on the 50,000s. I'm just going to play my 100,000. Look at this leapfrog trade. It's going to town. The scalper leapfrog. Mike's scalper leapfrog is up over $2,000 today. Great job, Mike. I made a few little revisions to it, but for the most part, it's the spirit of the strategy is yours. I can't take credit for that. Community leaderboard. Oh, I'm gonna have a connection problem. Let's see if we can get the next leg down. The read operation timed out. Let me try to reboot my leaderboard. Okay, I'm back on now. Oh, sorry about that. I hope I didn't lose you. Let me put the giveaway link in the chat box. Market seems to be reversing here. Got a nice payout coming from Apex. Should be here any day now. Let's see if we get a short roll. This is where we've been scoring. That was a larger retracement than the previous ones, though. You can see on our Nasdaq on our 5-minute. How oversold it is. We're way below the VWAP. Must be 2 standard deviations below the mean. Oh. Holy moly. Look at our 5-minute Heikin-Ashi chart. Unbelievable. There's a leapfrog short. Let's see if we get some follow through. It's got to break through the 50. Momentum appears to be shifted a little to the upside. Let's see if it comes crashing down again. Good morning, Eduardo. Eddie. Trader Joe. This is the move that's been scoring for us all morning. The signal C. Signal C short. Let's see if it's got one more left in it in the gas tank. If so, look out below. Let me get my giveaway link. The giveaway is sponsored by Apex Trader Funding. Has nothing to do with YouTube. Sven, good morning, sir. Now, this is a good for any size Apex account, any size. Any size, any size. You want a $300,000 account? You got it. You want a $25,000? It's yours. All you got to do is enter. It's giving us the old stutter step. Here we go. That's what it's been doing all morning. I bail out and then it takes off. Gives it the old stutter step, shakes me loose, and then it flies. Had a little bit of lag here. Black gold short. Gold's been moving short all morning. It's up high, though. It's up at over $86 a barrel. The Heikin-Ashi system gave us a beautiful trade on the Nasdaq. A beautiful signal. You can see it here. This is our entry, especially these breaks through support. This one especially, just a beauty, right down to support. Here comes another. Where is the bottom of this thing? All right, we're looking for a retracement on our leapfrog now. Here we go with a break of support. We need to pull back and go. Our signal B, where is the signal B? Holy moly. My power play should be in a big way. Finally, the power play woke up. It woke up. Trading 5 micros on the signal B entry. Let's plot the executions. There's the signal B. Okay, here comes our leapfrog on the signal C. This is what we needed. We needed a retracement and then another short roll to the downside. This is our signal C. Let's go right back to the leapfrog. Here we go. Watch the short roll now. Watch the short roll. Here we go. Didn't break yet. We need the bears to step back in. Push this market lower. Here we go. We're in. Signal C short. Does it have the follow through? Man, it's tempting to give it more room. It's a $100,000 account. I'll give it a little more room. See if we can get some follow through the downside. Ooh, can we survive the retracement? Ouch. Well, I turned that $100,000 account. I changed it from a winning day to a losing day. Let's give it one more go. One more time short. There we go. Hey, I'll be right there. Okay, we got some follow through this time. Come on, push through support. Push through support. No, don't come back on me. Oh, come on down. Push through support. Let's go. Need one to run for us. Mm. Come on down. Come on down. There you go. Come on, take a roll. Take a short roll. Come on down. Break support. Break support. There you go. Don't stop now. There we go. There we go. That's the one I needed. One more push down. Here we're in the leapfrog. Come on, one more push to the downside. Don't come back now. Push down. There you go. Took another leg. Let's get another leg. Come on down. Come on down. I'll take it right there. Oh, man, that's okay. All right, I'm just going to stay there. I'm not going to let a green day turn into a red day for me. This is how I ended up. That leapfrog on the signal C, oops, wrong ones, was the entry for me today. It was a leapfrog entry. It's still in the trade now. I closed it. I did it all morning. Hey, Dominic. This is where I'm currently at right now with these accounts. These are evaluations. Just got a payout on all my PA accounts. My evaluations, I have two 50,000s. I'm up 15 and 1,600. And I have 100,000. I'm up about 2,300. All right. This could be another signal C short. Watch this. Here we go. This leapfrog, I always talk about, we look for the bot that finds the ebb and the flow. My goodness, it gave me 5 chances to get to my profit goal today, and I almost blew all 5. In spite of myself, I found my way to my daily profit target. The golden goose is loose. It's in long. Oh, and here comes our setup on gold. Here comes our setup on gold. The setup I'm referring to is a blue Heikin-Ashi candle through resistance with a green background. That's the only trade right now that's going to get me off of the sidelines. But if it comes, I've got to take it. I've got to do it. I'm looking for a break of resistance on gold with a blue Heikin-Ashi candle. My goodness, I'm going to go back this entire week on this chart, and we're going to do which bots perform the best this week. But let me tell you something. This gold Heikin-Ashi with the breakthrough resistance this week is on fire. I kid you not. Let's take a look at the top performing bots of the week. It's my ES bots. I went over them yesterday. My ES bots were the top performers. The ES data dog from 817 to 821 prior to this session opening was at 2838. Let's hit the generate button. It lost a few $100 today, so it's at 2652. Here's our signal C short roll on the leapfrog. Does it score again? The ES moneymaker, a perfect 1424. Took 3 trades, they all won. Let's generate it. Might have pulled in a loser. It did. It lost 500 today, but it's up 920 for the week. Here comes gold. The ES scalper. Let's generate it. Up 2,300 this week on my machine. And crude oil on the Heikin-Ashi system. Up 43.80. Okay, here comes our trade, people. Here we go. Watch this. We're going to switch this to our human account. And let's unlock. Let's go for the gusto. We're going to look for our gold trade. We need a blue candle through resistance. My ATM is going to give it plenty of room. I'm looking for a blue Heikin-Ashi through resistance. We're going to do our giveaway. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Somehow we found our way into the winner's circle in spite of being a terrible emotional trader. In spite of myself, I found my way to the winner's circle. Looking for a break of resistance on gold. So the crude bot on the Heikin-Ashi system, I've got to give it props, man. Oh, here we go. Here we go with the push through resistance. Give me a blue candle. Give me a blue candle through resistance. Here we go. You know what? I think I'm going to do just my 50,000. Come on, give me a blue candle. I think I'm going to take it through resistance. Let's see what this candle does. We got flat bottom Heikinashis. It's clearly identifying a trend to the upside. And it's trying to push through resistance. Got decent volume, 200 contracts a minute. The contracts per minute counter is on the bottom. Let's go. Let's give it a shot. We didn't get our high volume candle, but we have the flat bottoms. Let's give gold a go. Let's give it a little more room. I wish we had a blue candle. I kind of broke the rules. Oh, got to stick to the rules, Rory. No blue candle, no entry. We got a yellow candle, not good. This thing's coming back at us. Man. Had the buy signal down here. I'm just late to the party. I took the trade right into resistance. Let's see if we could get lucky here and the bulls come back and push it through. Now it's giving me a sell signal. Yep. Boy, was that terrible. That was painful to watch, I'm sure. We got to wait for, I have to wait for the blue Heikin-Ashi candle is the key. All right, so the way we ended up, let's go back here, was we lost 135 on the 100,000 and we made 270 and 295 on the 50,000s. The discretionary trade killed me. So let's go ahead. Let's pick a winner. I hope everybody has a great winter, a great weekend. On your way out, please don't forget to like my video here. Mean reversion trade did very well community wide. My NQ scalper with a 50% win rate. My mean reversion had almost a 70% win rate. Let's take a look at the mean reversion. Okay, let's draw a winner. Here comes the mean reversion. It's winning 70% of the trades. Mean reversion has a 70% win rate. Everything jumped in short. All of my NQ and ES bots jumped in short. The only one long is RJ and crude oil. Let's see if we can take a mean reversion trade. NQ, mean reversion. Jero, good morning. 5 winners. Nice one. I know. I'm sorry, Jero. The blue Heikinashi bar didn't come, man. I messed up. The high volume Heikinashi. High volume. That's the key component. The key component is the high volume. Okay. We're getting ready to draw a winner. Oh, now we're getting a high volume short. This mean reversion could take off long here. Yep, I saw that coming. Let's put this right here. Come on, we need more of a retracement. Come on, push up. Boy, these counter trend trades make me very nervous. Very nervous. You know what? Which trade I want is that leapfrog trade short. That's the one I want. Let's see if we can grab it here. Okay, let's pick a winner. Everybody had a chance to enter. We got a lot of entries today. Market got choppy now. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Please, on your way out the door, if you would please like my video here on YouTube. Today's winner on the Apex is Albertha. Albertha, you must be living right. You're in good standing with the man upstairs. Good karma. Albertha won. Congratulations. And I'll show it. I'm just not going to show her email address. There it is. Albertha. You did it. Congratulations, Albertha. Here we go. We're in short. Last trade of the day. Let's see if we can get one to go for us. We need all the risks to come off. Come on down. If it retraces, we got to survive the retracement. Come on down. We're going to let this one run. Albertha. Come on down. Getting my leapfrog. Get me in the green. Let's go. Push down. Nah. Don't stop now. Come on, push on down. No risk on the trade. We got a free shot. We got a free ride here. Hopefully it doesn't come back on us. It came back on us. Lost my audio. Is it working now? Let's see if we can get one more short roll on this leapfrog. Let's see where Trader Joe is. I ran one on, we ran one on your sim. How's that strategy doing today, Trader Joe? Anything? These are the top bots across our entire community that you see. Stephen A is the leader. He's got a bot that's running on the mean reversion that's won 68% of its trades. He's up over $7,000 trading one contract. Let's grab his settings. If I click View Settings, it'll let me know whether or not I have the same settings. I have 8 settings that are different. So I'm going to load his into my control center. Since he's got the hot bot today, now I'm running the strategy that's numero uno in our community on the mean reversion. The next trade that it takes will be using the same settings as Stephen A. Stephen A. Good to see you, Stephen, on top of the leaderboard. Let's see if we get another short roll. Here we go on the leapfrog short. You're very welcome, Alberta. I'm so happy for you. Come on, let's go. Let's take a big short roll for me. One last trade. Do we take Stephen A's mean reversion? Let's give it a shot. Let's find the mean reversion now that I got Stephen A's. Let's lock her up and put her in the game. It's in just that fast. Holy moly. NQ mean reversion. Here we go. We need it to come back short. This is that reverse trade. This is that reverse trade. Well, you guys are brave trading this. I guess I am too now. But the 15 EMA might, if it's on the color change, this one had the Smart Stop 3 enabled on Trader Joe's, and it was exiting out once the 15 EMA changed from green to red. Come on back. This is the old reversal. Come on down. Yes. Come on down. Yes, nice. All right, we took it right off the leaderboard. Push on down. All right, nice. Got me back to break even. So there it was. Grabbed it right off of Stephen A, and it got in the very next trade and put me back to break even. I think I'm gonna end it right there. Can't do better than that. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Congratulations, Alberta, Gerald. Who else made a little money today? Anybody? Danny Mac, George. Please, on the way out, Sven, on the way out, please, if you would, like my video here on YouTube. It helps us out. It helps the company out. We appreciate you joining us today. God willing, we'll be back on Monday, and we'll do it again. Have a great weekend, everybody. So long. Alberta, keep your eye on your inbox.